Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Whop community, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect your Stripe account to your Whop community? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your Stripe to your Whop community anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that it's important to give your customers payment options, and by connecting your Stripe to your Whop, your community can pay with a credit card. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Whop account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Whop account, and this is the home screen. What you're going to do is right here on the left side, you're going to click on dashboard. It looks like a rocket. Okay, once you do that, you'll see all the different Whops that you have. You can see I just have this one. And in order to link your Stripe account, what you're going to do is up here on this menu, click on payouts. Okay, once you do that, you see these two options, Whop payments and other payment methods. By connecting your Stripe, you're going to be setting up your Whop payment. So make sure you see this. And what you're going to do is click on set up Whop payments. Okay, next you want to go ahead and choose your country. So I'm in the US, so I'm going to choose that and then click on next. Okay, once you do that, the page refreshes and then Stripe opens up the login screen. So as you can see up here on the URL, this is a Stripe URL, and they're asking me to log in with my email address that I use for Stripe. So I'm going to put that in off screen. Okay, once you've entered in the email that you use for Stripe, click on continue. Okay, Stripe just sent me a text message to verify that it's me that's trying to connect my Stripe to Whop. So I'm going to grab that code and then enter it in here. Okay, next, Stripe is going to ask me a few questions about my business before I'm going to be able to accept credit card payments through Whop. So you want to choose what type of business you are, individual company or nonprofit organization, and then click on continue. Okay, now they're asking for my legal name, my date of birth, and then the last four of my social security number. So I'm going to enter that in off screen. Okay, I entered in the required information. I'm going to click on continue. Okay, now they're asking me for my website. So I'm going to go ahead and enter that in off screen. Okay, now they're going to ask you to connect your bank account. So this is when someone pays you with a credit card on Whop, it's going to get paid into Stripe, and then Stripe is going to pay you into your bank account. So just choose whichever bank that you bank with. I bank with Chase. Okay, they let you know that you do need to connect your Whop to your Stripe. So you are going to need to connect your bank account. So I'm going to click agree and continue. Okay, now they're going to let me know that I need to log into my Chase account to approve that connection. So I'm going to click continue. Okay, now you want to go ahead and log in. So I'm going to do that off screen. Okay, now Chase is letting me know that Stripe is trying to give access to Whop to my bank account. So if you're okay with that, click on next. Okay, now it lets me know what information is going to be shared. So read through that. And if you're okay with that, click on next. Okay, if you have multiple accounts with that bank, you want to go ahead and choose which banks you want to share information with. For me, I'm only going to share this one. Okay, now Chase is going to let you know, or your bank is going to let you know what information would be shared with Whop and Stripe. If you're okay with that, click on connect my accounts. Okay, once again, Stripe sent me another text message to make sure that it's me that's connecting my bank to Stripe, so that way it can share with Whop. So I'm going to get that code and then enter it in here. Okay, next I get this pop-up saying that my account was connected and saved with link. So I'm going to click done. Okay, next here, Stripe is asking, do you want to go ahead and receive your payments at this bank account we just connected? I'm going to click continue. Okay, next it shows me all the information we just entered in. So look through it, make sure it looks okay. If so, go ahead and click on agree and submit. Okay, a quick second later, it brings me back here to my Whop dashboard. Now you can see Whop payments. It shows the payouts, which I don't have any because it's a new Whop community. But here on the right, you can see send money, withdraw to bank, and business and tax details. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Stripe to your Whop community, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.